I'm Deborah with WTI. This is the Anchor Hocking 980R Presence Cruet with stopper. What I like about this is that you can use it for different kinds of liquids, for example, vinegars, oils, salad dressings. I usually like to put some olive oil with some garlic and a bit of herbs to dress my salads. I like the design. It's a really nice and stylish design. So I like having it in my kitchen or taking it to my dining table when I'm going to serve salads. I also like the glass. It's a really thick glass, so I don't have to worry about it breaking really easily. I also like the seal that it has. So it's actually got a really nice, good seal to it. So I can just tip it over and it's not gonna leak at all. So another plus about this is that it's also dishwasher safe. So I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.